Okay, now everything is ready for structural observation. The engineer is coming tomorrow to check this one, and then the next day is the building inspector, and then the third day we will pour concrete. Yeah. So I make a hole like that to insert the nozzle of the concrete pump. There. Yeah, because we put the anchor bolt, the mudsill. Normally, if it is a new construction, we put the mudsill after we pour concrete. But in this case, we have to put the mudsill. So if we put the mudsill, we cannot pour concrete there. So I make a hole like that to insert the nozzle of the concrete pump, and then we just cover it later, like that. And then my guy is cleaning to remove the loose dirt. We want to clean it as much as we can. Okay. So my next video is once it's approved with the inspector and then the structural observation. Okay. Bye. Today we will pour concrete on this foundation and stem wall. It was approved with the deputy inspector, with the structural observation, the engineer, and lastly with the building inspector. There. I measured it 6 point something yard, but I ordered 7 yard for this small project. It's deep, so I always order more than the measurement I calculate. So as you can see, there it's about 12 inches away, the form away from the dirt there. The minimum is 8 inches, so I go more than that. There. So we pour concrete up to the bottom of that wood form, and then we will backfill with dirt. Yeah, we pour concrete all the way up to that end on the putting first, and then we backfill with dirt, and then we will continue filling up this stem wall. We will insert the nozzle of the pump there, all the hole that we made, and we will cover with that small piece of wood that we cut from there. So the concrete is scheduled 11 this morning, so the pump should arrive like an hour before, but I came early to make sure everything is okay. And then I told my guys to come at 10 o'clock. See, I always come early before my guys or before the mixer come to double check the form that we made. Okay, I will make a time lapse while we are pouring concrete. So we are done pouring concrete. I open the last the top wood to make sure that it's peel up to the bottom of the mudsill, all the way up to there. So there, so we peel up all the void part, you know, so like that. Okay, thank you for watching, and by Monday we will remove the form of this one, and we will start replacing those those wood that are termite and water damage, like that. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you my project that has been stopped with the inspector. We try to fix this problem, and the corner it's sinking, and it has a lot of termite and water damage. So I told the owner to get a permit on this one. He said no need to get a permit. So he said just do it. Okay, we might get penalized on doing this without permit, so we do it, and we already pour concrete like in this corner and in the middle over there, and then on this corner we put almost 2 yards like this one. The inspector came, he said, hey, stop, do you have a permit? I said no. So you need to get a permit, call for engineer and get a permit. Okay, so I call engineer, and it took us almost 2 months to do the structural design and the permit. So this is the new concrete that we poured there. It's almost 2 yards there, so we have to remove it. But now we get a permit, we have an engineer, so now we pour concrete already. We follow the design of the structural engineer. So, and then now we pour concrete, and by today's Friday, by Monday we have to remove the that form, the wood form, and we will start replacing those termite damage. And the engineer is calling out to put a shear wall on this front wall, and a little bit on this side wall there. The problem with this, because this is old, we cannot buy like this, not unless maybe special order, but it will be very expensive. I don't know if they will do it. The one available in the market is like that one. It's similar, but it's not exactly the same. And this is a house that is located in one of what do you call those area that you cannot change the look of this. You can repair, but you have to make it the same as it was before there. This house is located in area that are historical place. You cannot change the look of the house. Even if the paint, I think you have to ask permission, but you know the way the shape of the house. You have to do it the same as the old one. As you can see, the neighbor are all like that. See there, they're all like that. And these houses are very expensive. I think they are like 4 million. You know, see, most of the all of the neighbors are like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.